Our car was assaulted 3 times. 3 people died. The life I'm living now is a borrowed life.
My sons needed me.
I'd used up all my savings.
I already kind of figured that this game was rigged against us.
I was expelled. I became so angry.
You know, as I'm having these suicidal tendencies.
This is my mother. So to me, she was everything.
The first visa, denied. Second one, denied. Third one, denied visa. I received a single phone call that changed my life.
The fog had lifted.
I went to a job fair. I didn't know that he was the boss.
It was in that detention, in the jail, that I had a compassion experience.
Money became available. People became available. Things just got aligned for me.
I went home. I declared war against malaria. When I lost my voice, I found the drum.
When you do your part, you leave the rest to God.